Hi, Paul Gerard from Price Accounting Services, back today to talk about your tax deductions labelled D3, which is your uniforms and protective clothing area. Look, this is an area of deductions that the tax office has been really on the attack for a number of years, and the reason is a lot of taxpayers just get it wrong. Okay, and the basic reason they get it wrong is they think they can claim any deductions that relate to going to work. For example, suits and dry cleaning suits and things like that, which it's just wrong. You can't. Okay. The deductions are limited to protective clothing, so we're talking work boots and industrial work gear and protective goggles and sun protection costs, so cosmetics to protect you from the sun if you're an outdoor worker, protective eyewear if you've got a vision issue or you're working in a dangerous area, boots, as I said, overalls, all those sorts of things. Not only the cost of the maintenance and replacements, but also the laundry for them. And it often depends, the laundry costs depend on whether the particular article is really, for example, something that you're going to wash with a degree of frequency and maybe even on its own, or it's just something that generally gets thrown in the wash with everything else. So your deduction could be either very low for the laundry, it could be somewhat higher for the laundry. We can guide that, but we need to know that you've got these costs. Now, the other thing that people say is, but my employer, for example, New South Wales Hospital, they provide all my scrubs. I work in, well, there's nothing to claim. But if you take those things home and you wash them, yeah, sure, you might have a laundry cost. But you may have protective footwear, you might have all those protective articles, whether you work in a hostile environment because it's cold, it's wet, or an outdoors situation. The other area is compulsory uniforms. Now, when we talk about compulsory, we're not talking about you work in a bar and your boss says, wear black pants. That's not compulsory. By compulsory, we're talking soldiers and policemen and fire brigade who wear a uniform that is designated and sets them aside from other people who work in the community. And you look at them and you say, he's a policeman. That's what police wear. Or she's a nurse. That's what nurses wear. So compulsory uniforms are something that's usually intended and designed and supplied even by your employer, or you might have to buy it. So for example, a bank teller may have to wear the bank's uniform using one of the approved registered designs. That's a key issue. And so the replacement of that or its laundry is then deductible. So we can guide you with that. Areas of protective costs also can extend, if you're an outdoors worker, to sun protection, so sun hats, outdoor jackets. And we don't want to find it's just general clothing. It should be something that this is my outdoor work jacket for work, okay? And it might be fluoro, it might be reflective, or have some special markings or characters on it. That's ideal because they're the sorts of things we're looking for. We're not just looking for long johns because it's cold, okay? So we hope that's given you some guidance on the deductions that might be available. If you need further information, we're happy to chat with you about it and also guide you in the manner in which to claim the deductions. So, all right, so until then, until we see you on another one of our videos, goodbye.